Hello students, I hope that all are fine and safe. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is linear programming, which is also called as LPP, linear programming problems. In the earlier classes, we have studied graphical solution of linear equations and linear inequations in two variables. In this chapter, we shall study their graphical solutions to find maximize or minimize or maximum or minimum value of linear expression. The meaning of LPP is linear implies all the mathematical functions containing variables of index 1. A LPP may be defined as the problem of maximizing or minimizing a linear function subject to the linear constraints. These constraints may be equations or inequations. Now we will start with the questions. Question number 1. A manufacturer produces bicycles and tricycles, each of which must be processed through two machines, A and B. Machine A has maximum of 120 hours available and machine B has a maximum of 180 hours available. Manufacturing a bicycle requires 4 hours on machine A and 10 hours on machine B. Manufacturing a tricycle requires 6 hours on machine A and 3 hours on machine B. If profits are rupees 65 for a bicycle and rupees 45 for a tricycle, then formulate the LPP to maximize the profit. Now here first we will read the given question carefully and we will find out that about which product the information is given. So here it is very clear that the information about tricycles and bicycles is given. So we will consider one product as X and another product as variable Y. So here we have a solution. Let Z be the profit. Now here we are going to denote the profit by Z, which can be made by manufacturing and selling X numbers of tricycles and Y numbers of bicycles. That means we are going to denote the tricycles by X and bicycles by Y. Now here we have X is greater than or equal to 0 and Y is greater than or equal to 0. These are called as non-negative constraints and these are compulsory to write in every LPP question. So here total profit we will write Z is equal to 45X plus 65Y, because it is mentioned in the question that the profits are rupees 65 for bicycle and rupees 45 for tricycle. So now we know the equation of Z. Now further we will construct one table containing the columns machine A, B, tricycles which we denoted by X, bicycles which we denoted by Y, and here availability. Either we can write availability or maximum availability. So according to the given condition, we have values here 6 and 3 for tricycle and 4 and 10 for bicycles, because it is given that the machine A, here it is mentioned that the bicycle requires 4 hours on machine A and 10 hours on machine B. So that values we will substitute in the table. Similarly, the tricycles require 6 hours on machine A and 3 hours on machine B. So that values also we will substitute in the table. And about the maximum availability, the values are given here, that the maximum availability for machine A is 120 hours and for machine B is 180 hours. So according to the given condition, we will construct this table along with all the values. And now from this table we will write the corresponding inequalities. So 6x plus 4y is less than or equal to 120. Here we will write the sign of maximize, because we want to formulate the problem to maximize the profit. 3x plus 10y is less than or equal to 180. So according to all these conditions, we will write the final answer. The required formulated LPP is as follows, and this will be our final answer, that maximize Z is equal to 45x plus 65y subject to 6x plus 4y less than or equal to 120, 3x plus 10y less than or equal to 180, along with these non-negative constraints that x and y are greater than or equal to 0. This profit Z is called as objective functions. These inequations are called as constraints, and these equations in terms of x and y are called as non-negative constraints. So this is the formulation of LP problem. Now we will consider second question. Diet for a sick person must contain at least 4000 units of vitamins, 50 units of minerals and 1500 calories. Two foods F1 and F2 cost rupees 50 and rupees 75 per unit respectively. Each unit of food F1 contains 200 units of vitamins, 1 unit of minerals and 40 calories, whereas each unit of food F2 contains 100 units of vitamins, 2 units of minerals and 30 calories. Formulate the above problem as LPP to satisfy the sick person's requirements at minimum cost. Now here first we will read the given question carefully and we will find out that information about which food is given. So here we have given about food F1 and F2. So we will consider that let x units of food F1 and y units of food F2 be fed to sick person to meet his requirements at minimum cost. And obviously we are going to write this non-negative constraint in every LP problem, that is x and y are greater than or equal to 0. Now we will construct a table where first column will be the product or food. So here the information about the vitamin, minerals and calories is given. Now here we are writing the profit Z in table. So cost per unit in rupees. Then food F1 which is denoted by x per unit, food F2 which is denoted by y per unit. And since we want to find the minimum requirements, so here we will write minimum availability or minimum requirements. Now it's not at all compulsory that every time you will write Z separately. You can write the values of Z in table also, or you can write it separately. Now here total cost Z is equal to 50x plus 75y. So while writing the last information about the requirements, that is we will get the equations 200x plus 100y greater than or equal to 4000. Since here we want to solve it for minimize, we will write the sign of minimize, that is greater than or equal to. And second equation will be x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 50. And third equation will be 40x plus 30y greater than or equal to 1500, where x and y denotes the units of food F1 and F2 respectively. Now while writing the last answer, first our statement will be the required formulated LPP is as follows. So minimize Z is equal to 50x plus 75y subject to 200x plus 100y greater than or equal to 4000, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 50, 40x plus 30y greater than or equal to 1500, and non-negative constraints x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Means every time whenever you will formulate the given LP problem, first you will mention whether you want to minimize or maximize the given LP problem, then the equation for the profit in terms of Z, where you will use two variables x and y, then subject to we will write the constraints according to whether you want to minimize or maximize the given LP problem, and finally the non-negative constraints which are compulsory, that is x and y greater than or equal to 0. In next lecture again we will continue with the same, that is from question number 3. Thank you students.